You can create your own custom item types to store in your vault, which can be shared and accessed in the same way as any other type of item. They can also be filled into web forms using the browser plugin, which can be handy if you regularly fill in online forms which aren't covered by the existing item types and would like to speed up the process. To add a custom item, make sure that you are on the All Items view of your vault. Click the Add Item button in the bottom right and scroll down to choose the New Custom Item Type button. You will now be able to choose the type of information you wish to store. Start by setting the name of the data you wish to store. This is the name of the data type, not the name of the item. For example, alarm code rather than main office alarm code or sub-office alarm code. Next, we have to choose the data fields which will be attached to this item. There are several types that we can add. Text. This is just a basic plain text field. Text with copy. This is a text item which will also have a copy button attached when displayed in your vault, which you will be able to click to instantly copy the information in the field into your clipboard, ready for pasting into any app or website. Month, day, year. This is an item which will allow you to store dates with a drop-down selector for the month. Month and year. This allows you to store a date without the day field, as commonly used on credit card expiry dates. Password. This is a password field which will give you password generation abilities and will also obscure the entry by default when it is displayed in your vault. Notes. This is a generic notes item for multiple lines of free text. You can only have one of these in a custom item and it will always be called notes. As we add the fields to the data item, we must give them a name. If you are planning to use the item to fill in web forms quickly, you must name the fields the same as they are named on the web form you wish to fill. This makes sure that LastPass is able to match them correctly. Note that you do not need to create an item name field, as this will automatically be included. For now, we will create an item for a student registration form so that we can autofill it in future. Here is the form we wish to fill, so we will give our custom item the fields first name, last name, student ID number and email address. Now we click Save to save the custom item type. Now in our new item dialog we can see our custom item listed with a jigsaw icon. The little bin icon allows us to delete any custom types we do not need anymore. Note that this only deletes the template and not any items we have created using it, which must be deleted separately. To create our new custom item, we just select our template and fill in the information as per any other LastPass item type. The item is now saved in our vault and can be shared and organised the same as any other type of item. We can now use our item to fill in our web form using the plugin. Bear in mind that custom items can be used for secure data storage and for secure sharing of information, and aren't just for filling in web forms. They're encrypted in your vault in exactly the same way as any other type of item.